Hey friends, if File Explorer search box is not returning any results, or basically the File Explorer search box is not working, like type anything and it doesn't give any result, then try the following solutions. Restart the Windows search service. Okay, search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to Windows search service. Okay, and then right click on it and then select restart. The next one is to restart the File Explorer process. Why? Because the File Explorer search is a subset of the File Explorer process itself. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for the list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the Start button, select Shutdown and Sign Out and then select Restart. And the last one is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and in the right pane click on Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.